Solving word problems through equations. There are some word problems that are only solved through equations, as otherwise, it would take too long to solve them step by step. Let's consider a couple of examples to clarify this point. Example 1. The sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 39. What are the numbers? Solution 1. We can express the smallest of the numbers by x. Hence, since the odd numbers increase by 2 in respect to the previous ones, the next number is x plus 2 and the other is x plus 4. Therefore, the equation obtained in this problem is shown in the following on screen. This is the regular form of a first-order equation with one variable where a equals 3 and b equals minus 33. Thus, the smallest number is shown in the following on screen. The next number therefore is 11 plus 2 is equal to 13 and the biggest number is 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Example 2. I think of a number. I multiply it by 8 and then subtract 7. The result equals minus 3. What number was I thinking of? Solution 2. Let's express the unknown number by x, multiplying it by 8 means 8x. Thus, the equation derived from the clues of this problem is shown in the following on screen. This is the regular form of a first-order equation with one variable where 8 is equal to 3 and b equals minus 4. The value of the variable x therefore is shown in the following on screen. That is all for lesson 9.2.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 9.2.5, Equations for Solving Word Problems. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.